In this video, I explain you how to calculate a lower bound of call option. A lower bound price of a European call option on a non-dividend paying stock is calculated using an equation: current price minus present value of a strike price. Present value of strike price in the sense K is a strike price, and when you multiply it with e to the power of minus RT, then you will get a present value. So current price minus present value of strike price gives you the lower bound of an option. We'll see this with an example. Let's say the current price of the stock is 65 and the strike price was 58, and annual risk-free return in percentage is 9.75%, and time to expiration of this contract is 90 days. So our lower bound is equals to current price minus strike price into EXP is a Excel built-in function to calculate exponential value, minus R is annual risk-free rate multiplied by T is time to expiration divided by 360. So why we are dividing this expiration by 360 is risk-free rate here is given per annum, that is annual risk-free rate, but in our case our contract duration is only 90 days, so we need to calculate the interest rate only for 90 days. So this, that's why we are dividing it number of days, 90 days divided by 360 days. So the lower bound of a non-dividend paying stock is 8.3967, and similarly the lower bound of a dividend paying stock. In case of a dividend paying stock, the equation is current price minus dividend minus present value of a strike price. So on this stock we assume that a dividend of 3 rupees has been paid. So then this equals to our current price minus dividend paid minus present value of strike price, that is strike price multiplied by, use exponential function of Excel, minus R is annual rate of return into T divided by total number of days in a year. And when a dividend is paid, then our lower bound of our call option is 5.396.